Hey, good morning. Chuck here with Apple Drains. Today we are going to be cleaning a downspout drain. Pretty sure it's full of sand. That's the biggest problem here in Florida.
It's also the job where we invented the $1 sod stopper. I'll put that link down in the description box. So many cars had been running over this area, so the sod stopper worked out really good for her. But let's walk back here and take a look at the problem. And this was the easy repair. We did not charge her to clean the line. All we did was make a service call. And what I did was I dug up the downspout drain and put the garden hose in there. And I'll show you that. But it's full of sand. The only thing that will move sand is water. It's just like grease in PVC. The only thing that will move grease is water. The cable, it won't do anything. So that's a drawback to PVC, but the same thing happens with sand in all pipes. The best way to locate your downspout drain is to start, at the side of the house and just start digging laterally across the yard. And you will find that drain. So you can see I found the drain with just a few shovels. It was right by the wall. And you can see how full of sand that pipe really is. It is full. And where's that sand coming from? Probably there is something broken somewhere, maybe from the downspout in the back, or it could be something has cracked and sand, of course, is a very fine particle, comes right in. Easy to clean. Stick that garden hose in there and keep your water running. Push it down through the line. When you hit a stoppage, it's going to be usually, the pipe is full of sand right there. And you can kink your hose so it turns on and off and just let it push that water right out. Once you get through the stoppages, let that water run. Pull it back and let it run. Don't worry if it fills up with water. That just tells you that it's actually working because the water's coming out there at that pop-up. We showed you that. Take a look. You can see you just let this water run. Let's walk out front and take a look.
So we've got this hose running. It's pushing the water down through the line now. Should be clearing out the sand. We'll walk out front here and take a look. This is a job that we've been to before, and we put on the $1 sod stopper. So it worked out well for her. Great flow of water, as you can see. So everything's in good working order. Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.